In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create measure folders in Power BI Desktop. Measure folders are a simple way to keep your model tidy, especially when your report includes lots of calculations. They don't change your data. They just organize how measures appear in the field list so you and your team can find things faster. Start by switching to Model View. In Power BI Desktop, this is the view that shows your tables and relationships. You'll find the model icon along the left side of the window. Model View gives you quick access to object properties, which is exactly what we need for folders. On the right, look at the Data pane, also known as the Fields pane. Click a measure you want to place in a folder. Measures have a calculator or X icon, which helps you distinguish them from columns. Make sure you actually click a measure. Folders work specifically for measures within a table. With your measure selected, look to the Properties pane next to the Fields pane. Here you'll see a field labeled Display Folder. Type the name of the folder you want, then press Enter. As soon as you do, Power BI creates that folder inside the same table and moves your selected measure into it. This is a virtual folder. Nothing changes in your data model itself, so it's safe, reversible, and purely for organization. Now that the folder exists, you can quickly tidy up by dragging and dropping other measures into that folder. Just grab each measure in the Fields pane and drop it onto the folder under the same table. You'll see the list condensed neatly, making it much easier to browse. This is especially helpful when you group measures by topic, like sales, time intelligence, or KPIs, so everything related lives together. A few quick pointers as you work. Keep folder names consistent and descriptive so teammates immediately understand where to look. Remember that folders are scoped to the table where the measure resides, so each table can have its own set of folders. Also, only measures appear in these folders. Columns and hierarchies will still show in their usual places. That's all there is to it. Go to Model View, select a measure, type a display folder name, and then drag and drop the rest of your measures into that folder. With just a few clicks, your model becomes cleaner, easier to navigate, and faster to maintain. Save your report so your organization carries forward, and you're done.